जो हादसा हुआ है कल अटैक की, उसके बाद लोगों में एक खौफ, एक दहशत की एक फीलिंग बैठ गया है। कल रात की हादसा के बाद क्योंकि बाकी सारे पेशेंट्स को उनकी वार्ड से निकाल दिया गया।
They should be immediately identified and arrested within tonight.
As Shantanu Hussain has gone inside, there are slogans being raised, go back, go back. Dr. Shantanu Hussain, in middle of this go back slogan, is leaving.
We want that the bones are broken, this is done. Unfortunately, that is not supported by the scientific evidence. This incident would not have happened if this kind of malicious campaign was not being run by them. You can't destroy evidence just like that. Just a campaign, that evidence will be destroyed. Evidence is being destroyed.
बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स को अस्पताल से छुड़वा के लोग बाहर लेके जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि आरजी कौर मेडिकल कॉलेज अस्पताल की जो हादसा हुआ है कल अटैक की, उसके बाद लोगों में एक खौफ, एक दहशत की एक फीलिंग बैठ गया है। और इसीलिए बिना और कोई चांस लिए लोग अपने पेशेंट्स को निकाल रहे हैं। बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स को डॉक्टर कह दिया कि आप चले जाओ, अभी माहौल ठीक हो तो वापस आना। और ये जैसे पेशेंट है, ये मालदा से है, अपनी मालदा थे केस से, ये मालदा से आए और पिछले 28 तारीख से ये लोग एडमिटेड थे और शी वॉज एडमिटेड, वो एडमिटेड थी। लेकिन कल रात की हादसा के बाद क्योंकि बाकी सारे पेशेंट्स को उनकी वार्ड से निकाल दिया गया या फिर लोग निकल गए, इसीलिए वो अकेली पड़ गई। उनको डर लग रहा था और उसी डर की वजह से उनकी फैमिली ने उनको इस अस्पताल से रिलीज़ करवा लिया। कोई डॉक्टर एसचिलो, कोई डॉक्टर आया था? कोई डॉक्टर भी नहीं आया इनसे मिलने के लिए। और इस हालात में 500 किलोमीटर से भी ज़्यादा दूरी में है मालदा, और उस जगह पे ये पेशेंट को अभी ट्रेन से वापस लेके जाएंगे। वो अभी भी मरीज़ है, उनकी ट्रीटमेंट अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, लेकिन जो हालत आरजी कौर मेडिकल कॉलेज अस्पताल की हुई है, उसके बाद एंड स्पेशली कल रात के हादसा के बाद बहुत सारे लोग अपने मरीज़ों को डर से, खौफ से और एक लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस की वजह से इस जगह से बाहर लेके जा रहे हैं। यह है आरजी कौर मेडिकल कॉलेज हॉस्पिटल। अंदर की नारी की जो आवाज़ है आपको भली भांति समझाएगी कि भीतर की प्रदर्शनी अभी भी जारी है। और कल रात की घटना के बाद इसी अस्पताल की इसी रास्ते से, यानी ये प्लॉटिस मंच के सामने से बहुत सारे मरीज़ों को अपने घर वाले निकाल के बाहर लेके चले गए। कोई अपने घर चले गए, कोई अपने गांव चले गए, कोई दूसरे अस्पताल गए। और किसी के लिए ये रास्ता तय करना सिर्फ मुश्किल नहीं, बहुत रिस्की भी है। किसी के लिए ये सोचना भी मुश्किल है उनकी अगला कदम क्या होना चाहिए और आज के तारीख में इस हालत में क्या हो रहा है। I do see Dr. Shantanu, Trinamool Congress leader, former member of parliament, and also I am a member. He has come down just a short while back. He has issued a statement stating that in fact I will try and see if I can get Dr. Shantanu Hussain. Dr. Hussain, you have given out a statement that you want immediate arrest of all the culprits. You want immediate arrest of all the culprits. That's what you said. So what is that you're trying to say to the police now? Have they been able to identify the culprits?
As an ex-student, as a member of this ex-student of this college, I demand the outsider goons who operated and orchestrated the vandalism yesterday night. We have already been seeing their face in the social medias. They should be immediately identified and arrested within tonight. এবং তৃণমূলের একজন কর্মী হিসেবে, as a TMC worker, I say, my leader, my National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee, yesterday at midnight in the X-Handle, he has claimed and he has asked our Commissioner of Police, all the culprits should be found out irrespective of party line and they should be arrested.
You have to take one question, sir. There are allegations that it was an effort to eliminate evidences. Was it an effort to eliminate evidences, sir? So Shantanu Sen is saying that as an ex-student and also as a Trinamool Congress leader, he is saying that police. Okay, as Shantanu Sen has gone inside, there are slogans been raised: "Go back, go back, go back, go back." Slogans have been raised for Shantanu Sen as he has gone to meet with the protesting doctors. The slogans which have been raised are go back for Dr. Shantanu Sen, who just spoke with us and said that all the culprits should be brought to book. They have been identified. Their pictures seen on social media. But then, as you see, the anger of the protesting doctors is certainly seems like against Trinamool Congress now, as they're raising go back slogan, and Dr. Shantanu Sen, in middle of this go back slogan, is leaving this very spot. He's leaving this very spot, and we will try and see if he issues a statement on that, because this is the first time we are seeing that a slogan of this kind is being raised, and we will try and see what kind of a statement he's issuing now. Yo.
We want.
Well, he did not take a statement on. He did not issue a statement on go back. The slogan which has been raised, and he said that as an ex-student and also as a Trinamool Congress worker, he would want all the culprits are being brought to book, that their pictures are doing rounds on social media. Be arrested by tonight. This soundbite of Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Kumar Goel as he spoke very early this morning, around 4, as he stayed put here all through the night after the violence broke out.
We'll give all support to the CBI. I think you must have seen the media post. We have said everything there. We have been transparent with the family, with everyone. We wanted the students to form a small committee of 7 people, interact with us. We will share with them whatever is possible within the ambit of law. We told them. They did not come up with that 7-member committee till date. I'm yet to find. I came here on, I think, Sunday. I interacted with them. I told them, you make a committee. Whatever your doubts are, we cleared all their doubts. I briefed you. There are a lot of false propaganda which was going around. That the bones are broken, this is done. Unfortunately, that is not supported by the scientific evidence. This is the most unfortunate thing. The motivated media campaign which was being run, that was extremely sad for the city, because it has put Calcutta police in a very, very poor light, which is always with the people of Calcutta. We will always be with the people of Calcutta. But unfortunately, this incident would not have happened if this kind of malicious campaign was not being run by the media. I am telling you from my core of my heart, from every member of the team, that we have not tried to save anyone. If any day CBI can prove any of my men have tried to save anyone, we are responsible. Evidence destruction, anything. For evidence destruction, there is a 201 section under IPC. We are responsible. We are a responsible force. You can't destroy evidence just like that. Just a campaign. That evidence will be destroyed. Evidence is being destroyed.
Any wrong on their part, then they are willing to bear the punishment under section 200. कैमरा पर्सन शुभम गुप्ता के साथ और नीतश मुखर्जी को साथ में लेके कमाल शाह रेड माइक के लिए।